Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog detangler sprays that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pet Head Dog's BFF Detangling Spray. Who doesn't love the smell of strawberry yogurt? Pet Head's Furball Detangling Spray for pets is the wonderfully scented tangle fix you've only dreamed of. Ideal for long and curly coats in particular, all you've got to do is spray this formula liberally over your dog's coat, avoiding their eyes and ears as you go, and comb it in to achieve a tangle-free coat. It's impossible not to be impressed by the sheer diversity of high-quality, natural ingredients in this formula, such as sunflower seed oil and wheat protein. Not only do these commendable ingredients contain anti-tangling properties, they're also guaranteed to be kind to dogs' sensitive skin too. Moving on, at number 4, we have the John Paul Pet Lavender Mint Detangling Spray. John Paul's botanical formula is one of the best detangling sprays at its price point. Complete with 13 esteemed conditioning agents such as chamomile and oatmeal, manufacturers recommend spraying this botanical formula on your dog's fur between washes to replenish and soften their dry skin. The company resolutely positioned themselves against animal testing, confirming that their botanical formula was firstly tested on humans before mass production ensued. For pets who detest getting their fur combed, the spray's amalgamation of lavender and mint creates a relaxing smell that encourages them to unwind and enjoy being pampered. At number 3, we have the Bodhi Dog Detangling Spray. Boasting a perfect combination of aloe vera and jojoba oil, Bodhi Dog's Detangling Spray is a must-buy. The advantages of jojoba oil are plentiful for dog's skin, as this emollient, derived from the seeds of the jojoba plant, possesses a variety of healing properties that treat skin conditions. Besides, the medicinal properties that aloe vera possesses are celebrated worldwide. Given the wonderful 2 principal ingredients in this formula, it comes as no surprise that it's suitable for hypoallergenic dogs' sensitive skin too. Plus, this detangling spray's light apple scent will leave your dog smelling as wonderful as an orchard. At number 2, we have the Lillian Ruff Dog Leave-In Conditioner Detangler. Made right here in the USA, Lillian Ruff's vegan spray is both a detangler and conditioner that contains no harmful ingredients like sulfates, dye, or parabens. Therefore, the detangler is suitable for normal, dry, and sensitive skin and leaves a refreshing yet subtle baby powder scent. However, if your dog doesn't take kindly to the baby powder scent, Lillian Ruff allow 30 days to contact them regarding their detangler to obtain a full refund, no questions asked. Most likely, your dog will adore the detangler spray that means their poor hair isn't being pulled when brushed. And finally, at number 1, we have the Espana Silk Protein Detangler. Espana Silk's non-oily emollient spray is a lifesaver for groomers for getting tangles and mats out of dogs' hair. For dog owners, the time that you'll be able to spend relaxing in the evenings will be doubled without your long-haired dog's grooming time taking hours on end. Containing no sodium sulfates that dry out dog's skin, Espana's Dog Detangler instead uses silk proteins that hydrate the skin and include no petroleum or alcohol-based chemicals. All these perks thus far sound like all the other detanglers reviewed in this buying guide. However, how Espana Silk stood out to become our premium pick is due to its ability to provide UV protection. Not only will this protect your dog's skin from becoming burnt from basking out in the harsh sun, the long-term benefits of UV sun protection ranges from protecting your pup from visible skin damage to skin cancer. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.